everyone, this is Hardeep Kaur. So today we are going to dive into knowing my favorite product from Sephora. It's a glossy variant from Sephora, and this gives a shiny look, and you can see the color. It's so adorable. It's a baby pink light shade by Sephora. So I'm using this lipstick from few years, and this is so perfect that I'm using it again and again. As you can see, this is so glossy, and it goes with every attire, and I used to wear with my dresses, my suit, traditional wears. So it's perfect. It gives perfect look. Even it lasts 24 hours, so I also keep it in my bag to use it after 24 hours. So today I'm going to share that how to apply this lipstick. You can see the color. It's beautiful and light shade. It suits to every skin color. Blends into my skin, so it is doesn't look awkward or weird on my skin. It's really natural. Now I will tell you how to rock your look with using this lipstick. So just make a outline first. And then fill the area. Now you can see how glossy it looks. Another trick I'm going to share with you, that we can use this lip gloss as a blusher too. Just apply a little bit on your cheeks and then blend it. It's so perfect. So it's a natural product that it doesn't irritate your skin. So I always use this. You can buy from any nearby store, or you can also take this product visiting online websites like Amazon. So I bought this product from Amazon, and they delivered this product in just 2 days. So from that day till now, I'm loving this product. So I will definitely recommend you guys to buy this. Thank you for watching my channel.